Hello students, welcomes you on my YouTube channel Thinker's Choice. In my first video, we have studied about the sequence. What is the basic definition of sequence? Sequence as a function, and then what is the domain and range of the function. Okay, now in that continuation, now we are going to study that what is the sequence. This is all about recap. Now, what is the difference between sequence and series? Got it? Here, this is the basic topic of today's video. You can see what is the difference between sequence and series. Now, terms arise that what is series? As we know, sequence, if A1, A2, A3, separated from commas, dot dot dot, then this is called as a sequence, as we know. Now if we use a plus minus sign between each term, okay, either use plus sign, minus sign, or both, like this, suppose A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dot dot dot, then this pattern is called the series. Means series is nothing, we have to introduce the plus minus sign between the terms of sequence, then we got the series. Got it? It is simple. Or I am saying about plus and minus sign. What is the meaning of this? Like this, suppose example लेते हैं इसके लिए, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot dot dot, it is a series. Or you can say example is like this, 13. Remember one thing, here plus sign is not the addition sign. Means you understand that this is not, you can do 2 plus 3 equals to 5. It is the representation of series. Okay, not add up these all things, like basically it is the addition, but to represent a series we use this plus sign. Keep in mind these things. Okay, what is about minus sign? Means suppose 13 minus 10, you can say, then plus suppose 7 and minus 4 and etc. Means first term is 13 and second term is minus 10, third term is 7 and fourth term is minus 4. This is the meaning. Okay, not it is the 13 minus 10 equals to 3 plus. Okay, this is the basic definition of sequence and series, or you can see basic difference of sequence and series. Now take some examples of nth term of the series. Suppose these are the nth term, and question is that you have to find the first 5 terms of this series, or you can say sequence. Then it is very simple question. You have to put the, suppose take the this color, put n equals to 1, then what happens? We obtain 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1, and put n equals to 2, we got 6 minus 4 equals to 2. For n equals to 3, this is the 9 minus 4 equals to 5, and for n equals to 4, this is the 12 minus 4 equals to 8, and for n equals to 5, this is the 15 minus 4 equals to 11. Means the terms first, second, third, and what is the sequence, or you can say what is the series. Okay, now we take the series, then it is a minus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11, etc. dot 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 dot. This is the series, or you can say this is a series whose nth term is defined by this setup. Got it? Similarly, second question is Tn equals to this, then you have to find suppose first 3 terms. Yes or no? Take some second color, you can say. Okay, n equals to 1, then what will the answer? it is a 2 to power 1 minus 1, it will give 1. T2 2 to power 2 minus 1, it will give 3. T2 power 3 T3 T2 power 3 minus 1, it will give 7. Means these are all the three terms you can say. Okay, now this is the third example. For third example, suppose we have to find the first two terms, then n equals to 1 and n equals to 2 we have to put here. Yes or no? Let this span n equals to 1. What is the T1? 1 minus 2 upon 1, it will give minus 1. And what is the value of T2? It is the 2 square means 4 minus 2 upon 2, it will give again 1. Means for this case, first term is minus 1 and second term is 1. And in this case, first term is 1, second 3, 1 plus 3 plus 7 for the sequence and for the series you can say. Okay, this is the basic of nth terms. Got it? Now, if we talk about what is the basic meaning of progression and what is the difference between all these three terms, sequence, series and progression, then now up to now we have understand that what is the sequence. Sequence is nothing, it is the simple arrangement of the terms, or you can say you write the term simply by separating commas. And what is the series? Series is that if you got the sequence, or you can say if you have a sequence, then apply plus or minus n between the terms of the sequence, then we can get the series. Then what is the progression? What are the basic difference, or you can say what is the progression? Progression is a special kind of sequence, or you can say a special kind of series. Means what happens in the progression? In the progression, the terms have a definite rule. What is the meaning of that? Let's take pencil of this color. Okay, what is the meaning of definite rule? What is the meaning of definite rule? Definite rule means it have their nth term. Got it? You can say that progression have definite rule, definite system. Their definition is fixed, and that definition is represented by their nth term. And by this system, we say that progressions are categorized as AP, arithmetic progression, GP, geometric progression, and combination of these AGP. Yes or no? AP and GP आ जाएंगे उसमें. Then HP, harmonic progression. Then some miscellaneous series जो हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? तो first of all we have to get the study of AP. Then up to now we have understand that I think we have understood that what is the progression. Progression is simple sequence or series that have a well-defined rule, or you can say their nth term is well-defined. Just for an example, that if we talk about the AP, then their nth term can be written as Tn equals to 3n plus 4, like this. Means by using this nth term, we can obtain all the terms of the series. Got it?